Today on our 1986 Chevrolet Silverado CK series pickup, we're going to be taking a look at and installing the Westin Fey Diamondstep rear bumper, part number 20000. We will also be using the custom installation kit, part number 92230. This sturdy steel bumper replacement is going to have a nice diamond tread surface to provide grip when you step into your truck. Has 3 integrated ball holes and an 8,000 pound towing capacity to make towing easy. Now the hitch ball hole diameter is going to be about 1 inch. Just add a hitch ball, which will be sold separately, and you're ready to tow. Maximum towing capacity of 8,000 pounds and maximum tongue weight capacity of 800 pounds. With license plate lights and wiring to just easily connect to your running lights and be fully legal. This custom bumper replacement adds both utility and a rugged good look. With its powder coat finish, it's also going to resist any kind of rust and corrosion. Cold rolled steel is going to add that extra strength and durability. Now on this particular vehicle, the customer wants to get a step back on the back side of the vehicle and get rid of the blazer bumper that he had put on from the aftermarket accessories. Now, another reason is that it is bent and those brackets are kind of out of whack here on the back side. So we're going to take off the brackets and remove the rear bumper and put new brackets and hardware in place along with our new bumper. We're going to need to remove these 2 bolts securing the back bumper bracket, and we'll lube them up with a little spray lubricant on the other side to help them come out. We'll go ahead and get a strap and secure our bumper so that way if it does decide to fall off on its own, it isn't going to go too far under its own weight. We'll go ahead and hold the bumper while we tap out the bolts on each side. Once we have the bolts removed, we can go ahead and lower down the bumper. Now we're going to go ahead and place our bracket on. Now our left side or driver's side bracket, it's going to read 223 and then left. We're going to place it in the second hole here with our 1/2 inch bolt and flat washer coming from the outside. And then in the big groove here, the same way. On the back side, we'll add our lock washer and our nut. Let's go ahead and put on our passenger side. Now we'll go ahead and get an extra set of hands to help us hold our bumper up in place while we place in our outer brackets. Now those bolts going through that outer bracket is going to be the same as what we used in the frame, with that flat washer and bolt and a lock washer and a nut on the back side. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and tighten everything down and adjust our bumper. We'll go ahead and tilt our bumper, and we can always use a level 2 on the back side, making sure that we're going to be straight up and down. Now we're just going to use a pole stand underneath the back side of the bumper to hold it level while we tighten everything down. Now if you're doing things by yourself, that's the way to do it. Go ahead and torque it down to manufacturer specifications. All right, now we'll go ahead and repeat that same process on the other side. We'll go ahead and place in our license plate lights, lining up the grooves with the grooves here and putting it in place. Do this on both sides and then go around the back side and place in our clips to hold them in. Now on this vehicle, it does have quite a mess of wires going on, but we did check our wires with our tail light, and our tail lights are going to be running on that brown wire coming off of the 4-pole. So we're going to quick splice into that for our power going to our license plate lights, and then our negative will be the ground coming off of our 4-pole as well. Go ahead and take our light bulb and plug it in. Line up the tabs and push it in like so. Then we can go ahead and insert our light into our driver's side license plate light assembly. Press in and twist to lock it in. Now we'll run our wires back to connect to our power and ground coming off of our 4-pole. We'll take those quick splice connectors provided in the kit and connect them on. And then we'll crimp it down. And then close the cover. Taping it off will also ensure that we don't get any dirt, debris, or water inside of our connections. We'll take our wires and secure them up to the existing wire loom here on the back of the vehicle. Now we'll go ahead and turn on our headlights so we can have our taillight lights and license plate lights. Now the nice thing about this kit is it's also going to offer the license plate mounting hardware. So we'll place our clips in the hole. Now let's go ahead and hook up our license plate with the provided screws as well. And that will do it for our review and installation of the Westin Fey Diamondstep rear bumper, part number 20000 on our 1986 Chevrolet Silverado CK series pickup.
You can find this and everything else right here at eTrailer.com. What's up, man?